Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I found this beautiful organza floral print fabric in the store and I immediately got the idea to share this with you all. So I made this video and here I found around 6 different shades of this particular fabric. The cost of this fabric is 100 rupees per meter and with this you can make a floral print dupatta and combined it with the plain kurtis. I already shared a lot of videos about the plain kurtis with these organza dupattas, and when I got them live, so I just thought to capture them for you all. Now the best way to use them is just buy around 3.5 meters of plain cotton fabric and make a full flared anarkali gown or kurti with a churidar full sleeves and wear these dupattas with the same shade of fabric. You can decorate these dupattas by using a gotapatti work laces, or else you can also use some fancy laces like these type of cut work laces or some flower print laces and wear it as a party wear kurti, and for that you need to use the satin silk fabric to make the kurtis. So hope this video is helpful. See you in the next video.